Are you excited for the Samsung Galaxy S24? It's coming out soon, and there are some juicy rumors about what it can do. One of them is that it might be able to shoot 4K videos at 120 FPS. How cool is that? Now, 4K videos are not new for Samsung phones, but they usually have a limit of 60 FPS. That means the Galaxy S24 could double the smoothness and quality of your videos. A reliable leaker, Ice Universe, posted this on X. But how will Samsung pull this off? Well, we don't know for sure, but it could be thanks to the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and the powerful Samsung Gauss AI that runs the phone. These could boost the performance and efficiency of the Galaxy S24. By the way, did you know that the iPhone 15 Pro Max can only do 4K videos at 60 FPS? That means the Galaxy S24 Ultra could beat it by a mile if this is true. So far, I'm impressed by the Galaxy S24. It can record in 4K video at 120 FPS, which is awesome. I heard they took away the 10x zoom lens. I was hoping to get that feature, but then I saw some leaks that said it's not true, and the phone only has a 5x zoom. That's kind of a bummer, but at least the video quality will be amazing. Another cool thing about the Galaxy S24 is that it has a LTPO screen. That means it can change the refresh rate depending on what you're doing, and it won't eat up your battery. I remember the Galaxy S21 Ultra had that too, but not all the models did. This will make the 4K videos look even better, and maybe the phone will last longer on a single charge. That would be nice, because the Galaxy S23 didn't have a great battery life, and I always want my phone to have more juice. I can't wait to see what else the Galaxy S24 has to offer. It sounds like Samsung really stepped up their game this year. They put in a faster chip and a smarter AI, so the phone should be super fast and smart. Check out this chart. It shows us that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in all models, just like we heard before. That's awesome for the people in North America because they'll get the best performance. The other models, the S24 and S24 Plus, will have the Exynos 2400 chip in most places. We've also heard some rumors about what colors the phones will come in. The regular S24 and the S24 Plus might have 4 options: black, gray, violet, and yellow. The Ultra might have the same colors except for a more gold-like yellow. But these are not the only colors we might see. Samsung sometimes has special colors that you can only get from their website. As for the display, it will come with 6.8-inch QHD Plus display that will support 2600 nits of brightness. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.